Both males and females gather, and the males begin to size one another up, eyeball to eyeball. Having the widest eye span puts you at the top of the pecking order. The eye stalks are not weapons, they're measuring sticks, used to gauge how big and so how strong a male is. But there's trouble if two top males have exactly the same eye width. Then the contest descends into a brawl. Defeated. The winner. He now has the right to mate with all the females nearby. The rather gentlemanly way stalk-eyed flies settle their differences over females is not the only way. Some animals are much more violent. It's the dry season in Zambia. The lagoons are either baked dry or the mud is so thick animals get stuck, with fatal consequences. This male hippo has been living in one small lagoon, but as it dries, it's turning into a death trap. Understandably, the females that once shared it with him have all left. Even if he wants to, he can't stay much longer. He needs water to keep cool, and females to mate with. And this is where they all are. Almost all the hippos in the area are now in what is left of the Luangwa River, because it's the last place where there's still deep water. This bend is controlled by an all-powerful male. Since the drought, many more females have joined his herd. They are happy to live cheek by jowl, but any male who comes here in the hope of mating must first defeat the overlord. The wandering male arrives and has a decision to make. Submit